I took my first trip down to a Dollar Tree Plus. Long Island has opened up too, so I ran over, and they had some really good things. I was really happy. All right, so they have these right here. They have some cute things for Halloween that we didn't see before. So the lawn signs were like $5. They have these cute little candle holders. $3 for these. They have these little stacked pumpkins and they're like kind of plush. So $3 for those. They have these little LED lanterns that you can grab. They are solar. $5 for those. You can even maybe line those up outside. They had this little lawn sign back here. It says Eek. I couldn't get it out though. But super happy with Dollar Tree Plus. They have these cute little rugs right here. So they have the runner rugs. And you can see there was a lady here. She was going through all of the rugs because everybody was real happy that Dollar Tree Plus was here. This lady even had a whole conversation. I thought it picked it up, but my noise cancellation was really working today, so it didn't pick up the whole conversation. But she went on a long time about the Dollar Tree Plus. But these are the solar lights. They're $1.25 always. Just wanted to show you they have out some of the marble items. I think we might have saw those last time too. But a lot of these we saw last time too. These are like the fall pieces. But just in case you didn't see some, Dollar Tree has a lot of great fall items for $1.25, because all of these right here are $1.25. They brought back out those cute little baking dishes that they had last year. Cute little metal signage. You can hang those. You can do a cute little DIY with those. They have just a ton of cute options for fall decor right now. And they've just been really stepping up over the years with the fall decor pieces. And they have them in all the traditional colors and styles. This little lawn sign, I did a few DIYs out of that one right there because it came out earlier. They have the cute door hangers, just all kind of stuff. You see, the stuff was falling off the walls. They had so much good stuff packed in there. And this Dollar Tree, I haven't visited this Dollar Tree in so many years, but they turned it to a Dollar Tree Plus, so I had to head over there. These are cute, so they're gonna be like the little monogram pieces that you can grab, and they have them in a little print. They have the Day of the Dead items out. These are $1.25 too, but if you want to grab those, they have those out. They have the cute little signs. They have things for like parties and stuff like that. They have the DIY signs that you can do. They have these cute little boxes. So these are boxes right here. So you can open those up. You can put things in those. They have a bunch of Halloween items out too. So they have the lights. These are only $1.25 too. Just in case you didn't see some of these in the last one. I'm just going to show some of them again. But I love the Halloween pieces at Dollar Tree. But like I said, I was so happy with the Dollar Tree Plus because I've seen so many people at Dollar Tree Plus, and we don't have that here. Well, now we do. But it's still not on the little calendar, like a little location map on the Dollar Tree website. So you can't always trust that. I'm learning because ours are not listed on there just yet. These are $1.25. They're little like plush sweater like pumpkins. They have the ribbon that you can grab right now. They have all the good things for like fall that you can do your crafts and your DIYs. And again, these are all $1.25. We didn't see these last time, I know for sure. So they have them in acorn shapes. They even have like a little squirrel one. They have pumpkins. I thought those were cute. These right here, I love these. I was trying to figure out what that was. That's an owl. So you'll have owls, you'll have squashes, pumpkins, all kinds of different things you can do. And they come in a pack. So you get a few in those right there. They have these little ceramic pumpkins that you can grab. These right here, I was saying last time that you can, stack these together. So they're making a whole lot more of these that are stacked together. You can just pop a light. You can pop some faux florals in there. You can do all kind of different things once you customize it. So those are cute to grab. They have those for the fall. They have the big wood signs that you can add on to. These, I used a bunch of those last year in my crafts. Love those. They have the scarecrow chair covers, which are cute. They just have like all of the good stuff. And you can see a lot of these are just a regular Dollar Tree, $1.25. So you can catch these at your Dollar Tree if you don't have a Dollar Tree Plus yet. But we have one now, so I'm thinking everybody's getting one. And I talked to the lady at the store, and she said that they might change over all of the ones out here, which I'm really excited because if my favorite one turns to the Dollar Tree Plus, all right. So they have the garland, pumpkin garland. They have these items right here. So these are the Dollar Tree Plus items. They're going to be 3 and 5. These little guys are cute. See, they have like little beaded legs. And they had two different ones. I thought those were cute. You could sit those on the shelf. This little decor piece right here, so it's like the metal, and it has like the little three pumpkins, and they pop out $5 for those right there. It's a neutral color. These little centerpieces right here, $5. They had these string lights, so it's like a garland string light. I had to take it over to the regular leaves to compare. So you get 50 in that pack. You get 30 in this pack, but they look a little bit bigger, and then they have the lights. But if you wanted to, you can put together something like this because they do also have string garland, but I don't think it's as long as this one. So you can just see what you want to do. These right here, I'm thinking they light up because they have a little switch on them, and they are $5. And they like kind of that mercury glass look. They had these right here. These would be cute little door hangers, and they were $5. And they had them in different styles. I couldn't pick through all of them because it was tearing my hand up. Um, but there might be more options in there. But I almost got cut, so I stopped. These pumpkins right here, so they're a little bigger than the other ones, and they're going to be like $3. And then they have a bigger version that's not plush, and that one is $5. And it was like that velvet like material. And then this is the other garland that I was talking about, but it's not that long, so you might need a couple of those if you were going to put together something. They have the Halloween things, the little styrofoam pumpkins, all the cute little things that they had before. I don't think we saw these though. The pumpkin teeth, they look like they glow, don't they? So they might glow. They have the cookie cutters, so you can do like the cookies, the crafts, the bacon, all of that. You use those to cut shapes too. The signage, just all the good things that we saw before. I was trying to figure out if there was anything here that we missed before, but I think we saw the majority of it at my other Dollar Tree. But I was just like, okay, wow, because they have space, because it used to be a Dollar Tree and it was full. They have space for this, and they have space for the Dollar Tree Plus items, which I thought was cool. So they have the trees, and they have the big ornaments, which aren't really for the small trees. But they do have other ornaments for those trees. They have the garland, and they also have a big garland wreath like that you can grab. They have the little faux florals and stuff, and you can see about two bushes of those. You can make something real cute. And that's $1.25 a piece. The little signage, the hooks we saw before, which I think are so cute. They come with different ones. And then these are the small ornaments that would go on the little small trees that they have there. The craft section, basically the same. But I love the beads that they have, and that black one is cute. The metal signs, love those. They come in either packs, so you can get multiple. They come singular. But right now for me, it's crafting season for fall DIYs, Christmas DIYs. So yeah, you might want to check out your craft section at your Dollar Tree because they are packed with some good items to craft. They have these cute little plushies for the kids, and you can see all the different little animals. And these are $5, and they looked really soft and they felt good. And they had a ton of different animal options. They have other good little toys for the kids, and these are going to be between $3 and $5. These backpacks, $5, and they feel sturdy. They don't feel like the $1.25 ones at all. And they had those in a bunch of fun prints. And then they had the little lunch boxes too. $3 for those, and you can match those with the backpacks. They had a lot of cute little crafting items. They had this little car set right here, $3 for those. I don't think it was like the Hot Wheels cars, but like something similar. These little bass like wood trays, they were cute. They were stuck though. But $5 for those, and then this one right here that's already decorated and done, $5 for those. And they had other options in those too. Then they had bigger options of the canvases. I was looking at them, and first I was disappointed because this is $3 and you get a single one. I usually get a double pack from Five Below for $5, 5.55, but they do have a double pack for $5 in those. So yeah, you can get your canvases there now too. They have the smaller options that you can grab. They even have little kits too, so you can get some that have like paint and things with them, so you can just do like a whole little thing. They just have so many cute things. They have a lot of cute wood blanks, so you can do cute signs and different things like that. So these are $5. This one has a cute little shape to it. You can do something really nice for the holidays with that. They have this embroidery hoop kit here for $5. This is what caught my daughter, because first she was like, man, Dollar Tree Plus, same thing. And I said, yeah, okay. And then she saw the electronic section and she was like, oh, I can get this and this and this. And I said, oh, you were talking mess. But they have a whole bunch of like little LED things. They have this set of speakers here that you can grab for $5. So all the little tech stuff, they have that there for $5. They have headphones. They have wireless mice. They have just all the cute little tech stuff and a lot of LED things. So they're giving like Five Below a run for the money with their stuff because she was going to get some of her stuff from there. And then the t-shirts, because a lot of t-shirts we get from Five Below too. And they had a lot of good t-shirts for $5 and a lot of like, brands that you like, characters and stuff that these leggings, you can see they were like they were like a couple pair left, $5 for those. These right here, so $3. So I'm thinking they had a lot of the cool stuff from the D collection that they had this year. And then this right here, I just switched over my dish soap in my kitchen, and I needed to get the pump to use the glass thing, and I'm like, I might as well grab that because it's $3 and it's the look that I'm going for. Then they have the storage baskets. These feel a little more stronger than the $1.25 ones, and they like a bigger. And they had a few different options. They have some for $3. A few of these we did see at Family Dollar, though, especially this one right here, I believe we saw there. But they have, I'm just like so excited. This is the aisle where the lady was having a conversation. She went on for like 5 minutes or so with the guy. They have these hangers right here. And I think we just saw these hangers at Aldi. And they were a pack of 10, but they have a pack of 15 here. They have the little step ladder for $5, the over the door hook for $5. These shower liners right here, so these are white. I like the clear ones, but these feel sturdy. They have the sets, so you can get the rings, the shower curtains for $5. They have different cube options, like the little things that they have. You can see 15 on those velvet hangers. They have the craft items. They have tumblers. They just have so many cute things. They have these are going to be good for crafting too, for making signage. $3 for those. The little tumbler set where you can hold it. It doesn't come with a tumbler, but you hold it to do your tumblers. Like if you do that for your business and stuff. This little set, a cute start out set, $5 with the wood utensils and stuff. These signs right here, and they come in the circle, and they have hooks already on the back for $3. That is not bad at all. More cute little wood trays that you can customize, and you can do so many things. This one has like the wavy edges on it. $5, not bad at all. I was so happy here. I'm like, I really haven't been here in years. I'm gonna start coming out of my way just to go to this Dollar Tree now. This set, $3. This right here, so it's a covered baking pan. $5 for that one right there. Some of the things confused me because it was $5 for that one. It was covered, and then I think these were like $5, but they didn't have a. So yeah, some of the pricing was a little interesting to me. Like I think they should have came in sets. This right here threw me off because they were stuck together, and I was like, no way is this thick of a cutting board $5. But it's the thin one, but it is still cool for $5. You get that. They have just the little baking things for the holidays, and these are pretty to make like cute desserts and stuff like that. $3 for those. These little wine tumblers or drink tumblers, $5 for those, and they come in solids. They come in other colors. These are cool. We saw something like these at Aldi too, but one at Aldi had a straw, but these have like the hook, so you can just take it along with you. These $5 pans right here. They had a bunch of cute like decor pieces and stuff too. These tumblers right here, so $5. They come with the lid, and they pop them open. They have those in different colors, but they have the little faux plants. $5 for those right there. This one, I like this little planter that they had it in. I wish they had more different plant options for this planter right here because I really did think it was cool, but they have like a bunch of other options, and they're about $5 for those. This little LED crackle globe. They have the little fountains that you can grab in different shapes, more little centerpieces. This cute little tier tray, $5 for this. I think they have one too for like a Halloween, but the guy was stocking, so I couldn't see all of those things. They have the bigger wall shelf right here. They have the small pack regularly, so you can get the bigger one for $5. They have the light curtains that are popular. They have those for $5. They have artwork. They have this cute little easel right here that you can grab for $3. They have little area rugs. You can throw those in your bathroom, places like that. This one I thought was super cute for $5. Just a cute one. It reminds me of something from Five Below. Um, they have just like a bunch of cute little Halloween things. They have the LED lights, $5, all the different shapes. This right here is bats, so $3 for those. This little candy corn one here, $3 for that, and then $3 for this one here. You can see it comes with a lot in it, so it's just like a candy corn banner that you can grab. They have these little hanging ghosts right here, $3 for those, and according to the picture, they look huge. I don't want to take anything out, but I don't have a yard to decorate, but I really wanted to see how big they were. These love these. I thought they were like little individual skulls. They're the taper candles. So $5, and these look so cool. They come in different colors. They have it like in this metal. They had it in the gold. They had it in the distress. They had it in black. They had it in so many different colors. They have these little cubes here that you can grab for $3. Just something cute. They have these little metal signs right here, and they say different things. $5 for those. So you can see magic happens. And then they have another one here, and it has like a little skeletons like around to make the circle. They have little artwork. They had more on the other side too, but the guy was stocking up. They have the rugs that you can grab, and these are both fall and Halloween. $5 for those. These look like they light up. $5 for those right there. They have pumpkins in sequence. $5 for those right there. They have these cute lights that you can grab for $5. And this candle kind of goes with the other candles. So you can make like a whole little setup with these candles. They have this one right here for $5. So Dollar Tree has done it. Now I see why everybody's excited about the Dollar Tree Plus. They have these little sets. You can make a whole little scene for Halloween and stuff. $5 for those. They have the little neck pillows, and these are cute because they have little characters. So they're like sharks and different animals. They have regular ones too, but $5 for those right there. They have things for the bathroom. So these little hand towels, and they say different things like "stay a while," "relax." This one right here, they had a few different sets. They have towels. They have the dish rags, the wash rags. They have the paper towels and all that in like different packs now, like bigger packs and stuff. They have more just Halloween decor. Like you can see, he was loading up with this stuff. $3 for this, and it comes with the guy, the girl, so you can make a cute little setup on your wall with those right there. These right here, okay. This is I should have known Dollar Tree Plus was coming. I saw these over a week ago at my Dollar Tree, and I was like, wow, why do they have that out? But no signage or anything. So I'm thinking mine is going to turn into one too. They have these cute little decor pieces right here. $3. These little blow up, the inflatable ones, the decor pieces that you can put outside. $5 for those right there. I'm thinking this lights up or make noise or something, but it wasn't working to test it. I pressed a bunch of them. They weren't working to test them. They have so yeah, you need to grab some of these things. If you have a Dollar Tree Plus, you can grab some of these. They have the throws. They have these big little scary spiders for $3. They have this little LED crystal balls. You can just make a whole little cute setup. $5 for those. That's the wreath that I was saying that matches with the garland that you can grab. $5 for those right there. They have like the little fake cauldrons. These lights right here. I think only the pumpkin was lighted, but I'm assuming the skulls light up too. These remind me of what is that movie? The movie with the talking plant. My daughter hates that movie, but the movie The Talking Plant. The leaner signs, $5 for those. They have tablecloths that you can grab, $3 for those. See, that's the tier tray. I think they have $5. They have the little gnomes right here, and they're so cute. And they have them in different little costumes and stuff for Halloween. More little things that I think light up. So $5 for those right there. So you can just make a whole cute little setup. These are the other trays that you can grab. So they have them in different prints. I like the white one. It's just like so bright and nice for the season right now. They have the fall tablecloths. So your Dollar Tree over the years has stepped up. And a lot of these pieces, some of these pieces, I feel like I have seen at like Home Goods and stuff like that. So $5 for those. This right here will light up, and it's like a metal. $5 for those right there. So yeah, you might want to head over to your Dollar Tree or Dollar Tree Plus